Welcome. Today we'll be working on how to know the number of character in a text string, or how to know the length of the text in a cell. So that's what we'll be doing today. And how do we do that? We just use the function length. So that is the function we'll be using. Let me see. Character, let's just say. Okay, so to know the number of account number in this cell, so we just use len function, len tab, and we'll click on the box. So it's going to return the number of character that is in the cell. You see, so this is 11. Let's click it down. So simple, so straightforward. You can confirm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Simple and straightforward. We use the len function to know the number of character in a cell. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to this channel.